Theta United States dollar medium-term support for the most part truly remained at 92 cents. Or so they actually for the most part thought in a significant manner. The very current exchanging volume of Theta organization fundamentally is at $13,759,868 in a really significant manner. Theta organization basically is buy and buy esteemed at 80 cents. Really bears control Theta's kind of exceptionally current cost activities in a genuinely significant manner, or so they thought. 31 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now, or for actually most certainly 1 week from now, and sort of genuinely attempt to answer these much of the time commonly clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What by and large is extremely transient cost expectation for Theta organization? Explicitly is Theta a very truly wise speculation? Or so they sort of thought in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on, which certainly is very huge. Yet prior to plunging truly profound into the Theta specialized examination, let us really discuss the ongoing business sector conditions. Market investigation. Over the sort of absolute last 24 hours, there basically essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely sort of whole digital currency market to $1,177,517,732,560 in a genuinely huge manner. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume really remains at $30,011,818,165 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking in an essentially significant manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, which in a real sense truly shows that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly sort of has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.83%, coming to $1,859.27 during the past 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.34 following a value change of 0.45% within a similar time span, which by and large shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,221.93 level after a decay of 0.47%, which basically explicitly shows that Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely huge manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, really is somewhere around 2.36, and at present exchanging at 70 cents. Which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, which is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in every practical sense thought. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market by and large truly is going in an extremely descending course for kind of present moment, which basically is very huge. As of now, an especially broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which really is genuinely critical in opposition to mainstream thinking. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that Theta organization for the most part is buy and buy esteemed at 80 cents. Sort of bears control Theta's truly current cost activities in a truly in every practical sense significant way. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers for the most part become basically more genuinely dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an exceptionally huge manner. Similarly, obstruction for the most part is a level at which dealers truly become move pretty dynamic and in every practical sense truly prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense higher in a huge way. Following generally in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, certainly is at 80 cents, down 0.92% in the precise beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a value change of 2.38% throughout the week in an unobtrusive manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 13,759,868.00 United States dollars, while actually certainly complete market cap came to $801,594,580 United States dollars, which sort of is very critical. They're in every way that really matters, are very nearly 1 billion in every way that really matters, truly are available for use out of 1 billion, which certainly is genuinely huge. Theta Organization Value Investigation Theta Cost Examination for 31 July 2023. Inside a day-to-day time period in every practical sense, made sense of beneath. So Theta Organization generally is as of now esteemed at 80 cents. Bears control Theta's fundamentally current cost activities, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving pretty sort of normal combination and uniqueness, MACD. Backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Theta network. Theta United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, marker in a real sense, is showing a present moment in every way that really matters. Sell commonly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath. Sort of commonly signal line which in every practical sense implies by and large bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting that we utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal intermingling and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving certainly truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving most certainly normal, EMA. 2 in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Theta network. Theta United States dollar moving actually quite normal assembly and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer, truly is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment, most certainly sell extremely beautiful sign. As the MACD line sort of is moving beneath truly signal line which essentially sort of means explicitly bears most certainly are ruling on the lookout, or so they for the most part thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and really is attempting to basically break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, showing that Theta United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at 92 cents in a quite huge manner. The Theta Organization fundamentally especially has in every practical sense break all its in a real sense truly upholds levels, and things truly are not searching in every way that really matters, great for the crypto market, which actually certainly shows that following basically by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Theta Organization, Theta Organization execution. The cost of Theta Organization, Theta, for the most part is at 80 cents, down